Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to show you our new strut tower brace that we made for the Ford Bronco. We're gonna do a quick little installation, show you how easy it is to install, how easy it is to disconnect when you want to go off-roading, and check it out. You're gonna start by locating the 3 strut nuts on each side. Go ahead and use your ratchet to undo all 3 of these nuts. There are 6 total, 3 on each side. You're going to drop in the Steeda Strut Tower mounting plate with the tabs located to the outside of the vehicle. Go ahead and refasten the factory hardware on and secure to the factory torque specs. It helps in this part with an extra set of hands to go ahead and lower the Steeda Strut Tower Brace into place. As you can see, you're going to lower it in these solid rod ends and use the provided stainless steel hardware to attach. You're going to be using a 3/8 Allen headed wrench and a 3/4 inch open end wrench to snug these tight. Go ahead and torque these down to about 30 foot-pounds. Once it's in place, you'll see that your installation is complete. This installation takes only about 20 minutes to accomplish, but like I said, an extra set of hands does come in handy when lowering down in the Steeda Strut Tower. Well, as you can see, that was a pretty straightforward install. It's only 6 bolts, couple cross pins, something really simple you can disconnect when you go off-roading, because let's face it, 99% of the time you're probably in your Bronco, you're cruising around town, going to the mall, going to the soccer games. So super cool part, easily disconnectable for all you off-road guys, but it's available here at Steeda.com. Follow us on all of our social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Like, subscribe, and remember, Steeda, where speed matters.